In this video, we'll discuss about triac, working of triac and characteristics of the triac. Triac is also a family of thyristor that can conduct current in both directions, and it functions like a two parallel SCR turned in opposite direction with a gate terminal. So triac stands for triode for alternating current. Here tri it represent or it mean to be device has three terminals. AC it mean to be device controls alternating current or can conduct in either direction. So this triac can be defined as it is a semiconductor device with three terminals that control the flow of current. Hence it is named as a triac. And triac is a combination of two SCR which can connected in parallel but opposite in direction with a common gate terminal. Here the symbol of triac which is shown in the figure A having the three terminals MT1, MT2 and gate. MT2 it represents main terminal 2 or also it is called by the name anode 2. MT1 it represents main terminal 1 or anode 1 and one more terminal is gate. And the most of the triacs can be triggered by applying the voltage, either it may be a positive voltage or negative voltage to the gate. When gate is triggered, triac continue to conduct until the main current drops below a certain level which is called as a holding current. Therefore, gate acts as a trigger to turn on the device. And the basic construction of the triac which is shown in the figure B having the 5 layers, and it is a little bit difficult to draw. Therefore, we can easily draw the basic schematic construction of the triac like this. I already told that the triac which is the combination of two SCR with the three terminals gate MT1, MT2, P1, N1, P2, this is N2, this is N4, this one is N3. This is the main schematic construction of the PN junction diode with the terminals MT2, MT1 and gate. And now we will discuss the operation and working of the triac. Usually the triac can be turned on by applying the proper gate current. As in the case of SCR, here also large gate current, smaller the supply voltage at which the triac is turned on. And the triac can be operated in four ways. First way is when the terminal MT2 which is positive with respect to the MT1 and current flows through the path P1, N1, P2 and N2. In this operation, the two junction P1, N1 and P2, N2 are forward biased, whereas junction N1, P2 is blocked. The triac is now said to be positively biased. And a positive gate with respect to the terminal MT1 forward biases the junction P2 and N2 and breakdown occurs at the normal SCR. And the second mode of operation is terminal MT2 is positive but gate is negative with respect to the terminal MT1. Here the current remains the same as in the mode 1 but junction P2 and N3 is forward biased. And next mode of operation is terminal MT2 is negative and gate is negative with respect to the terminal MT1. And in the third mode of operation, the current flows through the P2, N1 and P1 N3. And next mode of operation is terminal fourth operation. Here the terminal MT2 is negative but gate is positive with respect to the terminal MT1. In this fourth operation, here P2 and N2 are forward biased and the current carriers are injected, so track can be on. And now we will move towards the IV characteristics of the triac. In the figure 4.1, which shows the VI characteristics of the triac. The triac functions like a two thyristor connected in anti-parallel. So the VI characteristics of triac in the first and third quadrants will be similar to the VI characteristics of the thyristor. When the terminal MT2 is positive with respect to the MT1 terminal, triac is said to be a forward blocking mode. A small leakage current flows through the device when voltage is lower than the breakover voltage of the device. And in this condition, the triac turns on. And the triac can be turned on below the VBO. VBO, it means to be forward breakover voltage. When the triac below the VBO by applying a gate pulse in such that the current through the device should be more than latching current. Latching current, it means to be the minimum current required to hold in on state. Similarly, when the terminal MT2 is made negative with respect to MT1, triac is in the reverse blocking mode. A small leakage current flows through the device until it is triggered by breakover voltage. The supply voltage at which the triac starts conducting depends on the gate current, with a greater current, lesser voltage at which triac is turned on. So this is about the IV characteristics of the triac.